Hello students, let's continue the same topic, that is chemical properties of the metals. Now we'll do the next chemical property, that is displacement reactions. In displacement reaction, we will take metal A which is more reactive and combines with the salt solution of metal B. Here metal B is least reactive, gives salt solution of metal A plus metal B. So metal B is less reactive. Now in this reaction we will take metal A, iron. Iron combines with metal B, that is a copper sulfate, and we get iron sulfate and copper. So in this reaction what happens? Iron is more reactive than copper which is present in the solution. So iron will displace the copper from copper sulfate solution and iron sulfate and copper is formed. Now here we will perform the small activity. So what is this? This is the test tube. In this test tube we will put copper sulfate solution which is blue in color and one iron nail. Now after some time, 2 or 3 hours, we will observe the color of this copper sulfate fades and light green color is formed. And the color of copper, what is the color of copper? Reddish brown. This reddish brown color from this solution deposited over the nail. So nail is having which color? Reddish brown. Now in this reaction iron is displacing copper from copper sulfate solution. Why? Because iron is more reactive than copper. But in place of iron, if we take the copper, अगर हम आयरन की जगह यहाँ पे क्या लें? कॉपर. For example, if we take the solution of iron sulfate and put the strip of copper in it, then what happens? Copper is less reactive than iron, so it will not displace the iron from ferrous sulfate solution. So no reaction. We can write here no reaction. Why? Because copper is less reactive. Now see another reaction. If we take the zinc strip and put in the copper sulfate solution, then zinc sulfate and copper is formed. But if we take the zinc sulfate solution and put the copper strip in it, then no reaction. So more reactive element only displaces the less reactive element from the salt solution. Next reaction, this is very important reaction. In this reaction we will take the silver nitrate. The color of silver nitrate is colorless and put the copper strip in it. Then we will see that copper nitrate and aluminum, then silver is formed. The color of copper nitrate is, what is the color? This is the blue. कौन सा color है ये? Blue color is formed. So this is also the displacement reaction. Now see the NCERT question. What would you observe when zinc is added to a solution of iron sulfate? You have to write the chemical equation. So see the chemical equation. If we take the FeSO4, the color of FeSO4 is light green, and when we put the zinc strip in it, then zinc sulfate, which is a colorless salt, is formed and iron is also formed. So in this reaction, which is more reactive element? Zinc. So zinc is more reactive and it will displace the iron from iron sulfate. Then zinc sulfate is formed along with iron. So this is the displacement reaction.